How to hide friends on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app and then you will see the home screen. Now, tap on the three-line menu located in the top right corner. Then, select the settings here icon on the top right corner. Once you have done that, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy Checkup on the settings menu. Under the Privacy Checkup, look for the option labeled Who Can See What You Share. Simply tap on it. Hit the Continue button to proceed. Once you have done that, you will be guided to page where you will find various settings to customize your privacy. Now, search for the option to manage Who Can See Your Friends list. Once you have found that, simply tap on it. To hide your friends list, change the settings to Only Me. Once done, your friends list will be visible to you only, ensuring your privacy is intact. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your friends list on Facebook. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.